Do you chase cue ball like this? Or you do something like that? In today's video, we're gonna solve chasing of the cue ball problem, why it's happening. It's not easy as you think, but there are solutions how to fix it. So the first thing why players are chasing the cue ball as they play, especially angle shots, that they are curious what is going to happen with the cue ball. So they just wondering where's the cue ball is going to be, where the cue ball is going after the shot. For example, they decided to play for the black, and what often happens as they strike the ball, they start looking to the cue ball, not to the object ball, but to the cue ball. And that's why the cue action can suffer. That's why there could be no consistencies in their delivery, because you don't know when you make a body movement. And what happens when you do cue ball chase, the head is going up. Okay? So what often happens? Up. So you don't have consistent contact point here. Yes, you can put like ball like that, like I did right now, but it's just gonna be very inconsistent, you know. So the most easy solution is basically like a cure for chasing the cue ball or staying still, like many top professionals like Steve Davis and Henry emphasized, is look to the object ball until it drops to the pocket. So what you want to do on every shot, especially in angle shots, you decide what you want to do with the cue ball. I want to use cushion and make slightly above the black ball spot position here. You already decided what you want to do. And now you just commit to the line. And as you deliver the cue, just look to the red with your eyes until the object ball reaches to the pocket. So you play the shot and stay down. I know that the pot wasn't clean, but it's just gonna make your cue action more consistent. Your head is gonna be more still. You're gonna deliver to the consistent contact point on your chest, and it's just gonna make your action much better. For example, you play black of the spot, and you want to make soft shot right there. So you look to the angle and you stay down until the object ball drops to the pocket. I know it sounds routine, it sounds kind of that, but you just have to train in your training sessions to stay down until the object ball drops. If you don't want to do that, it's okay, but you just lead with your eyes the object ball to the pocket. So let's say you play a shot for the black. Let's say I'm gonna play for the red right there. I already committed where I want to be. Stay down and watch with your eyes the object ball, because that's technically gonna really help you out with lots of shots, especially let's say pink of the spot, you play off the cushion, and that shot determine it's really could be really easily missable because you can put side spin. You just look to pink until the last point. And stay down to the shot, looking to the object ball. And that's it. You know, many players are saying stay down to the shot, stay down to the shot. But what you have to do is just follow the object ball to the pocket. Not cue ball chasing, but object ball. And then you're just gonna stay down to the shot much longer with your eyes. I mean, follow with your eyes. So it doesn't matter what kind of shot you play. Let's say you play this kind of shot. Just make sure that you follow your object ball to the pocket. Even if you miss or pot, same. You just want to build consistency in your cue action, and that's what I do in my mentorship program. I'm building players' consistency both technically, mentally, and knowledge-wise. So if you're a dedicated player, click the link below. I'm gonna contact you, and we're gonna find the best solution for you. So yeah, again, playing simple shot, following with your eyes until the object ball drops to the pocket, and it's gonna prevent cue ball chase. It's gonna make your taking way more consistent. No, it doesn't matter. You're gonna miss the shots anyway, but you're gonna miss less simple shots. It's gonna make your game more consistent, and it doesn't require that much effort to do that. You just have to be a little bit more disciplined, a little bit more consistent with your technique, and results will follow. So guys, if you have any comments regarding this subject, I would love to hear from you in the comment section. Are you doing yourself already, or you just starting out with those not chasing cubo? I just would like to hear your opinion on this topic. So guys, subscribe to the channel, comment, and see you in the next episode.